Hello, this is Greg with Contractor SmartPay. Would you like to learn how to accept credit cards? If so, I have an awesome solution for you. Hang tight. I used to be a contractor myself, and I know what it's like chasing payments. Those days are over. We have a nice portable terminal for you. Check it out. The video is only about a minute and a half long, so just hang tight. This one's made by Deja Vu. It comes with next morning funding and no contracts. It's completely portable. Your customer can tap their credit cards here. If they have an Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Android Pay, they'll tap it there as well. It has a built-in receipt printer, which you could turn on and off at any time. And let's type in a transaction for, let's say, $100, and I'm going to show you how it wipes away all the payment processing fees. If you notice, the flat 3% is added in. Your customer can tap card or cash, or we can have the cash tile removed if you desire, and it will just show the card price. It comes with next morning funding and no contracts. Give me a call or send me a text, 801-205-1955. We'll get you set up with this Deja Vu portable credit card terminal so you don't have to chase around for your money anymore. There's also a link in the description below. Waiting for your call or your text. We'll talk soon.